Hi everyone, Stipe here from Nokia Mob, and we were in Russia at the launch event of the new Nokia 2.1, Nokia 3.1 and Nokia 5.1. So let's take a look at them. First we have the all new Nokia 2. The new Nokia 2 is similar to the old 2 in terms of design. We have the polycarbonate housing with a thinner metal frame, but also a bigger 5.5-inch screen. The surprising feature of the 2.1 are the two stereo loudspeakers on the front. On the back we have an 8-megapixel camera with autofocus and LED flash. Beneath is the huge 4000 mAh battery that is charged via the micro USB port at the bottom, and there is a headphone jack on the top. The Nokia 2.1 runs Android 8.1 Oreo Go edition, just like the Nokia 1. Android Go is created for low-end phones and it performs the basic functions well and consistent on the Nokia 1. In fact, the two main issues I had with Nokia 1, a small screen and a camera with fixed focus, are solved with the Nokia 2.1. The Nokia 2.1 feels solid in the hand, but it's a big and a bulky device because of the big battery and the good use of space on the front where the two stereo loudspeakers are placed. It will be available in July for €99 in key markets. Next up is the new Nokia 3. It comes with an improved design that includes a metal frame diamond cut sides. It looks really good and feels solid in the hand. From specifications, we have a 5.2-inch 18:9 screen, MediaTek's MT6750N processor, 2 or 3 GB of RAM, 16 or 32 GB of storage, and an almost 3000 mAh battery. The rear camera of this guy is 13 megapixels with autofocus and LED flash. It doesn't come with Nokia Pro camera because it doesn't feature Zeiss lens, but you can do Facebook and YouTube live streams via it. It comes with Android 8.0 out of the box and is a member of the Android One family, which means 2 years of Android updates and a guaranteed update to Android P when available. It will start selling for next week for €139 for the base version. Compared to the old Nokia 3, the 3.1 looks better. It is a bit taller but narrower and comes with a slightly bigger screen. The 3.1 is also asymmetrical, where the bottom bezel is bigger than the top, and the white version has wide bezels, which I'm not a fan of. Overall, it looks and feels like a solid upgrade, and we will see in our full review if it really is. Last but not the least is the Nokia 5.1. It's familiar looking, but it does come with updated specs, where HMD claims the new 5 is 40% faster than the old 5. The signature feature of this phone is the 5.5-inch 18:9 Full HD Plus display that should probably be one of the best displays in its price range. It runs Android 8.0 out of box, but same as the Nokia 3.1, it belongs to the Android One program and will be updated to Android P. Rest of the specs include a 16 megapixel rear camera, 8 megapixel front camera, 3000 mAh battery, MT6755S or Helio P18 as some call it, as the processor, coupled with 2 or 3 GB of RAM and 16 or 32 GB of storage. It uses a micro USB port for charging and has a 3.5mm headphone jack on the top. The new 5 feels great in the hand, and as I said, it's similar to the old 5 but with refined edges, and the fingerprint sensor is moved to the back now. The antenna lines are still wrapped around the top and the bottom and blend in with the metal housing. In short, it retained everything we loved about the 5 and got a significantly better display and updated specs. The price stays the same at €189 for the base version, and the sales start in July. To conclude, we saw 3 new interesting Nokia phones that are, in every sense of the word, upgrades to the older models. On paper, some things could be even better, but increasing the design quality and specification while retaining approximately the same price is how you do a proper refresh. The devices should soon hit the stores, so stay tuned for the reviews to come. This is Stipe from Nokia Mob, and thank you for following us. Bye!